Skin tags and warts can be unsightly and even uncomfortable. They are benign growths that occur on the skin. While mostly harmless, they can catch on clothing or jewelry, causing irritation and bleeding. Many people seek ways to remove these growths for cosmetic reasons or to alleviate discomfort. This video will guide you through safe and effective methods to rid your skin of these unwanted blemishes. We will explore natural remedies, over-the-counter treatments, and professional procedures. Our aim is to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of skin tags and warts, empowering you to make informed decisions about their removal. Whether you prefer home remedies or seek professional assistance, this video has you covered. We will delve into the causes, risks, and various removal techniques. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries surrounding these common skin conditions and offer practical solutions tailored to your needs. Understanding skin tags and warts. Skin tags are small, soft, and non-cancerous growths that protrude from the skin's surface. They are composed of loose collagen fibers and blood vessels. Skin tags can appear anywhere on the body but are most commonly found in areas with skin folds or friction, such as the neck, armpits, groin, and under the breasts. Warts, on the other hand, are caused by the human papillomavirus, HPV. They are small, rough growths that can appear on various parts of the body, including the hands, feet, and face. Warts can spread through direct contact with the virus or via shared personal items. Natural remedies for skin tags and warts. Before exploring more invasive methods, it's worth trying natural remedies, as they are generally safe and inexpensive. Apple cider vinegar. This natural astringent can help dry out and eventually remove skin tags and warts. Soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar and apply it to the affected area, securing it with a bandage. Repeat this process daily until the growth falls off. Tea tree oil. Known for its antiviral and antimicrobial properties, tea tree oil can be an effective treatment for warts. Dilute the oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, and apply it directly to the wart using a cotton ball. Cover with a bandage and repeat daily. Duct tape. While it may seem unconventional, duct tape can be used to treat warts. Cover the wart with a small piece of duct tape, leaving it in place for 6 days. On the 7th day, remove the tape, soak the area in warm water, and gently rub the wart with a pumice stone or emery board. Repeat this process until the wart disappears. Over-the-counter treatments. If natural remedies prove ineffective, over-the-counter treatments can be a convenient and affordable option. Salicylic acid. This keratolytic agent helps break down the thick, calloused skin of warts. Look for wart removal products containing salicylic acid and follow the instructions carefully. Cryotherapy. Freezing kits, available at most drugstores, use a freezing agent to freeze and destroy warts. These kits should be used with caution and according to the manufacturer's instructions. Wart removal pads. These medicated pads contain salicylic acid or other active ingredients and are designed to gradually remove warts over time. They are a convenient and discreet option for treating warts on the hands or feet. Professional removal methods. In some cases, professional intervention may be necessary, especially for persistent or larger growths. Cryotherapy. Dermatologists or healthcare professionals can perform cryotherapy using liquid nitrogen to freeze and destroy warts or skin tags. This method is effective but may require multiple treatments. Electrosurgery. Also known as electrocautery, this procedure uses an electrical current to burn off skin tags or warts. It is a quick and precise method performed by a healthcare professional. Surgical excision. For larger or resistant skin tags or warts, surgical removal may be recommended. This involves numbing the area and cutting off the growth with a scalpel or scissors. Laser removal. Laser treatment can be used to remove skin tags and warts by vaporizing the growth. This method is precise and minimizes scarring, but it can be more expensive than other options. Prevention and aftercare. To prevent the recurrence of skin tags and warts, it's essential to follow proper aftercare and take preventive measures. Avoid sharing personal items. Warts are contagious, so refrain from sharing personal items like towels, razors, or nail clippers. Keep the area clean and dry. Maintain good hygiene by keeping the treated area clean and dry to prevent infection or reoccurrence. Wear protective clothing. If you have warts on your hands or feet, wear gloves or socks to prevent spreading the virus to other areas of your body or to others. Monitor for changes. Keep an eye on the treated area and seek medical attention if you notice any signs of infection, excessive bleeding, or if the growth persists or becomes larger. Skin tags and warts are common skin conditions that can cause discomfort and self-consciousness. Fortunately, there are various safe and effective methods to address these growths, ranging from natural remedies to professional treatments. We hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of skin tags and warts, their causes, and the various removal techniques available. Remember, while many of these growths are harmless, it's always advisable to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have concerns or if the growths are large, painful, or changing in appearance. Natural remedies like apple cider vinegar, tea tree oil, and duct tape can be gentle and cost-effective options for treating smaller or newly formed skin tags and warts. Over-the-counter treatments containing salicylic acid or freezing kits can also be effective for many people. However, if these methods fail or if the growths persist, professional removal methods such as cryotherapy, electrosurgery, surgical excision, or laser treatment may be necessary. These procedures should be performed by qualified healthcare professionals to ensure safety and optimal results. Regardless of the removal method chosen, it's crucial to follow proper aftercare instructions and take preventive measures to reduce the risk of recurrence or spreading the virus to others. Remember, addressing skin tags and warts is not just about cosmetic concerns. It's also about maintaining good hygiene and avoiding potential discomfort or complications. With the knowledge gained from this video, you are now empowered to make informed decisions and take proactive steps towards achieving clear, healthy skin.